So which one of these do you think was the most successful?
Yeah, so the question is,
What do you
which one of those four things had the most uptake? Is that what your question is?
Yes. What do you think?
I personally would go with the YouTube video navigator.
This one. It's my favorite as well. It was created on an internal hackathon where my team so we were 20 people in the hackathon, all from Team-GPT, and the team I was leading was 3 people, and we won the hackathon with this tool. So I love it. But here are the results, Casey. All of them don't matter but the prompt builder. There's only one which picked up. And you see this is the last 30 days, this is the last 90 days. I'll just wait for it. The moment we released the prompt builder, it kind of picked up and killed all the others. So you see such a strong signal, and especially when you have the baselines, some of them are better, but at the end of the day, people care about one of them, and it's the prompt builder. So we have this super strong signal. This is something that needs to go into the main bit of the software, and it has to become, a selling point, lead magnet, go on the website. We need to start showcasing this. So we've started collecting these signals, and it's really, really useful for our product development.
Yeah, that's great. I mean, I think using those internal signals to then put stuff on the website that is resonant around that, I think obviously that's a smart choice. I think the prompt builder winning is very much likely tied to your customer's intent. What is the framework of what problems they come into your software to solve? My guess, based on the data that you've just shown me, is that the prompt builder is most tightly aligned with their intent moving in. So they might have all this other stuff, and we look at it and we're like, this is really powerful, this is fun. But if ultimately what they're trying to do is most closely aligned there, that completely makes sense. But that's a great tip, and this is a great takeaway for everyone listening, is if you have the bandwidth. I will say that there's differing levels of how agile development teams are. So what you've kind of laid out is great if you are in a situation where you have an agile development team that can kind of do that internal testing very quickly and get that signal to then populate what to put onto the website.
I agree completely, and just want to add that if I remove this from the picture, I still see a very fragmented signal, what matters to the people and what doesn't matter to the people. And to me, it was very, very important to put all of these on the same level over here, so that it's not a part of the system. They're on the same level. People click around to them, and they discover them, and they start using them. And it's really, really interesting to see this. So next step for us, we remove the prompt builder from here. We have already put it on the, in the main platform. You can now, you have the prompt builder here. So it's a very significant bit of the software. We remove it from tools, and we continue testing. Next test we're going to do is, we believe that the intent was very important, and we believe that if we do it on the basis of jobs to be done, it's going to be much more impactful, and we're going to figure out what are the jobs to be done, which is a very important test for us.